Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the AC compressor on Nissan Micra K12. The AC compressor on this car is located on the bottom of the engine. It's located right there. The AC compressor is held by 4 bolts, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top, but to get access to them first we need to remove the front bumper. This is one of the screws that we need to remove. We don't need to remove the front bumper completely. We just need to remove this part of it, and just so that we can get access to the 4 bolts. That bolt is removed. Next I'm going to remove the 2 plastic clips that are holding the bumper on top, and then there is a few more bolts underneath on the bottom of the bumper that we need to remove as well. Once we remove those bolts and screws that are holding the bumper on the bottom, then we can take this part of the bumper off, and then we'll have access to the AC compressor. Now I'm going to remove the front bumper on this side from the car, and here now you can see that I have better access to the AC compressor, but first I need to disconnect that electrical connector to get even better access. Now you can see there's the AC compressor right there. We also need to remove the 2 AC lines, which are held by 2 bolts. We remove those bolts and then take out the AC lines. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. That's the bolts removed. Now I'm going to take out the AC lines. Before removing the AC compressor, first I'm going to take off the serpentine belt. To do that, I'm going to put the wheel arch liner to the side, and now I have access to the serpentine belt. This is it, and this is the tensioner right there, and this is where I'm going to turn the tensioner with. To do that, I'm going to use a wrench size 16. I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise so that I can loosen the belt, and now I can remove it. Next I'm going to remove the 4 bolts holding the AC compressor. This is 1 bolt right there, the second is right there, and then there is 2 on the bottom. First I'm going to remove the top bolts, and then I'm going to remove the bottom bolts. And here are the bottom bolts that I'm going to remove. This is one bolt and the other one is next to it. I'm going to loosen them first, and then I'm going to use my electric ratchet to remove them completely. There is also an electrical connector that we need to disconnect. It's located right there. To remove that connector, there is a tab on it that you need to press, and it comes out. That's the 3 bolts removed. Now there is only 1 bolt left. I'm going to remove that as well, and then I can take off the AC compressor. That's the bolt removed. Now the AC compressor should be free, and I can take it out. Putting the new AC compressor back on is in the exact reverse order. Don't forget to replace the O-rings on the 2 AC lines before putting it back on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.